I want to show you guys these really pretty lashes that I got from Katie. Crazy Essentials. So look at this package. Like, isn't this the cutest thing you ever did see? And it has the name of it on the back. These are so adorable. It's the cutest little box. Like, it took me forever to figure out how to redo this. So shout out to you, Sean, because I don't know how the hell you got it in here. And there are my lashes. These are, which ones? Lex. L-E-X-X. These are available on crazyessentials.com. So yes, I'm so excited to try these out. I'm gonna use the Broadway Strip Lash, my go-to holy grail lash glue, and my handy dandy tweezers. So if you have questions about putting on lashes, you struggle with putting on lashes, here we go. I'm gonna take my time and show you guys how I put on lashes, okay? So I'm gonna zoom back in really closely. And this is my palette. This is what I put all of the little liquid stuff on. So it's not all over the back of my hand, but there's stuff on the back of my hand, so whatever. But pick up like a dot on the back of your tweezers here. So it looks like that. Just a little dot on the back of your tweezers. Come along the, it's gonna not focus, there we go. Put it along the, you know, the thick part, the line, the strip of the lash. That's one. I'm gonna pick up the other with the tweezers. I'm gonna put it right in the hand before it, like so. I got one there and one there. See that? Perfect. And I'm gonna do that again. You can pick them both up at the same time, so that way you can do them both at the same time. I was just kind of showing you guys how I do it. And then I go back and put another layer on because I like my glue thick. And the key, like the number one thing, if you don't listen to shit else in this video, is let your glue get tacky. Don't go putting this shit on and then straight for the eye, because you're gonna have eyelashes in your ears, you're gonna have them up your fucking forehead. Let the glue get tacky first. Let the glue get tacky first. Say it with me. Let the glue get tacky first. Let it dry up a little bit. Let it give it time to set. It's not gonna be super dry because you obviously still have to stick it to your damn eyelashes, but give it some time to dry up a little bit. I wouldn't suggest blowing on it, especially like if you're a makeup artist. You don't really want to be blowing your breath germs on something that you're gonna put on somebody's eye. So I don't know what the rule is in real like makeup terms, but I wouldn't suggest doing that shit. And I've seen people doing this, like, that's nasty. So yeah, refrain from doing that shit. Now, look down. I have a mirror down here, so look down so you can still see, but try to focus on just getting the middle to the middle, okay? That's it, just get the middle to the middle. Now, come to the inside and get your inside to your inside. And you wanna line it up right up against the bottom of your lid, not like sitting on top of the eyelid. It's kind of sitting on top of the lashes, but you back it up into the lid itself. And then you go with your tweezers and just press it firmly up against the end of your eyelid, and boom, boom, pow, you have lashes. See that? See that? Tilt that down a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that or not because I can't see it. But that's lashes 101. Now we're gonna rinse and repeat on the next side. Are we gonna rinse and repeat on the next side? Surely. All right, now to the middle and to the inside. See, it's tacky, it just sticks, it doesn't move. And effing flawless. See how easy that was, you guys? Like, super duper easy. And that's it, that's lashes. Okay, don't fuck up.